What I wish I knew about big banks and national security before today. This move from JPMorgan isn't just about money. It's about changing the game. Let's break it down. JPMorgan's new Security and Resiliency Initiative is pouring $1.5 trillion into America's most vital industries over the next decade. We're talking AI, clean energy, advanced manufacturing, even next-gen defense tech. They're betting billions, not just to make money, but to boost U.S. jobs and keep the country safe. CEO Jamie Dimon says, "It's business, not charity." This could spark a whole new industrial revolution in the States. Want more smart money news like this? Smash follow on Divine Streams.